up? Coming to you live from Long Island. We got a cool little K-car meet going on. Let's check out these first. Very nice R32. Got the laptop on the seat, you know it means business. Ooh, love those taillights too. Very nice. Then we got an M3. Loving the carbon and purple together, especially with the yellow. Again, a very nice car. And this looks like an M2. Yeah, it's an M2. All three dream cars, honestly. M2 competition at that. Black on black. And now, let's go look at the K cars. So we got the supercharged sandbar that we saw in the last video. He added some tints. He added this in the back, which is super cool. Can't wait to see what else he does on this one. I know he has some parts coming from Special K and the homies out west. Next to that, we got another sandbar. I'm not sure if I've ever seen this one before. This looks like, I don't even know who owns this. But pretty cool. I'm happy that it's 5-speed. These are very often automatic, and you guys know how I feel about that. I wonder if this is the one from Facebook Marketplace. Will Lindsay, if you're watching, I wonder if this is the one that we were looking at. I think it was like for $8,000 or something. It looks very, very similar, and I remember it being 5-speed, same color and everything. So I think he might have just got this. Yeah, all the dates and everything look really new too. I think someone just bought this, so that's nice. Another K car in the NYC area. Then we got Sal's truck. We're gonna come back to this one because this one is actually for sale. So I want to give it its own little moment, start it up, maybe drive it around the lot real quick. But then we got this. Shout out to Moto Cheese. He let me drive his turbo tri-van when I had my Bravo, and I was very shocked on how quick this was. Love the seats, love the wheel, AC. Gotta love the Halloween decorations. I love that these come from the factory with a whole body kit. You see like the aggressive bumper, side skirt, got the tall roof, cool seats too, and then even a spoiler. And back here looks a bit aggressive, full-time 4-wheel drive. Definitely one of my slept-on dream K vans, to be honest. Always talk about the Bravo and the sandbar, the supercharged, of course, but these turbo tris and the turbo everys too, both of those are very slept on. Next to that, we got the homies Honda Street. This one is also for sale, actually, if anyone is interested. I believe he wants $8,000 on his listing. I'll put his Instagram here if anybody's interested. Pretty cool. Then we got Andy's fire truck, one of the cleanest K cars around. Got the Japanese plate in the back. Even have a little shield for it too. Wow, I like that. I'm gonna ask him how he found this. I want to get one of these for the front of my cars. Fire extinguisher. All the lights and everything work. Interior clean. I gotta get me a fire truck too. I know I say that about every single K car, but I want to get one of these, and I want to just make it like aggressive, like put some really nice rims on there, remove one of the leaves, drop it a bit, have my friends back here. Like I'm telling you, 2024, you'll see. K truck, fire truck will happen on the channel. I believe I know who owns this. 4-wheel drive, cool Subaru box. I don't know if I've seen many of those. That's actually really nice. Had to interrupt the video real quick because the guy who owns the fire truck said this would be a perfect work truck for him. So let's see what happens. I'd be very shocked if he just randomly bought it right now, but he's going on a test drive, so let's see what happens. Really one of the best looking K cars ever built on the channel. Next we have this Town Ace. We saw this at the last car meet. Very clean, new tires. I love the attention to detail he did on the car. Interior super clean. And then lastly, this mini cab slash Bravo. I love this. So we got the Bravo front bumper. It's a dump truck, which is always cool. He even added the Bravo cluster that has the tachometer and everything. Got the fog light switches, big white BBSs. You guys know I'm obviously a fan of the white on white. Very cool. So here we got the owner style. I'm not gonna say what car you're buying yet because I don't want to spoil any secrets, because I got a car coming soon. I'm not telling anybody what it is. But this is for sale. One of the cleanest Suzuki Carrys we've seen. These light up, which is cool.
Yep, clearance lights.
What else could you tell us? 5-speed.
14-inch tires.
Oh yeah, 14-inch wheels.
Inside is immaculate.
Has like what, like 12,000 kilometers or something?
24
or
now.
24.
Still got the grip on the steering wheel. Look at that.
Yeah, wow, it really does. 4-wheel
Seats are in
drive.
great shape.
Radio, speakers. You did this recently? I feel like I've never seen that before.
About a year ago.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I haven't seen that.
Got the bed liner.
Bed liner.
The side marker lights.
Ooh, I didn't realize that either. Title comes with a New York title. Depending on where you live, obviously. Taking consideration and getting it registered. Oh, Cali mirrors.
Yep, Cali. That's a clean truck.
Start it up real quick.
Got the headliner. I have the old one. When I did the cab lights, I had to take it down. I never put it back up. That's the only thing.
I didn't realize that's how you would have to get it on. Yeah, that makes sense. It looks good with the cab lights too. Like at night.
Oh yeah, when they're on.
It turns. Oh yeah, you could see them.
Oh yeah.
Well, I didn't realize it was that bright. All right, so let's take this on a test drive. 5-speed, like I mentioned, ultra low, axle lock. I really hope the camera is picking up how clean this really is. I've been talking about this K-Truck for probably, I don't even know, maybe since like for 2 years. He had it for a very long time. And I've always said the same exact thing. This is one of the cleanest Suzuki Carrys I've ever seen. It doesn't have AC, but that's not really the end of the world. But I believe he's asking, we'll find out at the end of the video. I believe it's around like 10. Haven't driven a K-Truck in so long. Feels good. Damn, I really miss this. Whenever I get into a K-Truck, I'm like, ugh. K-cars are cool, K-vans are cool, Cappuccinos, Beats, Minicos, all that stuff is cool, but it's so regular. But when you drive one of these and you're just sitting on top of the wheels and you feel every bump, such a different feeling. Love the Cali mirrors too. Wow, that makes such a big difference. Let's just gun it one time. All right, gets up there. But all right, let me put his Instagram and price on the screen right now. If anyone's interested, hit him up. It's located in Long Island, New York.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.